What's happening YouTube, your boy Tech TRX back in another video, and today we are looking at a brand new router, and this one has Wi-Fi 6. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when next videos come, tips, tricks, and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 130.ca, hit that like button as well so we can beat the YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what Speedefy Wi-Fi 6 router AX1800 can do. Here we go. So if you're looking for a brand new router to increase your Wi-Fi capabilities on your home, maybe you're cutting out on different areas as well, this is the one for you because this one has Wi-Fi 6. Wi-Fi 6 is a brand new technology. They also have that on the newest iPhone, so that's pretty good. Yeah, it has faster connectivity as well, so that's awesome. Here it's very easy to set up. We're going to show you how to do that today. Now it has two frequency, which is the 2.4 gigahertz and the 5 gigahertz. There's also security firewall and advanced WPA3 encryption. It's also good for 1800 megabytes per second. So for those of you who are signing up for Shaw cable here in Canada, in Shaw we are good for 1.5 gigabytes per second, so you definitely one of these if you have that, so that your router will be faster as well. So there we go. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what it could do. There we go. Basically there's nothing there anymore. So here we get the LAN cable right there, power adapter, and here we get the router itself. There you go. Pretty cool design right there. There you go. Boom, boom. So yeah, you'll be able to twist this as well, like that, whichever way you want. So as you can see here, this is the Speedefy router. The back has two mounting brackets there, so you could put a screw right onto there. Besides, also twist and you can fold it like so. There you go. You can even have it like this so that it would just point up instead. And then on the back, it's a power adapter right there, WPS right there. There's also the reset button right there, and then 4 slots for branching out a bunch of Ethernet cable there. And then right here is the blue part right here is the one that connects to your router. There you go. This will connect to your modem now. I'm gonna grab the adapter right here. We'll have this connected right here. There you go. And then we're gonna plug this in. There you go. Once it's plugged in and ready to go, it would have a green light in the front there. Now we're gonna take our phone out right here, and then what we'll do is we're gonna scan the QR code, and then we're gonna go to the quick guide right here and scan the QR code. Like so. There you go. And then before setup here, you can register your Speedefy product right there and then download the app right there. So let's go ahead and register our router right here. Once you're done registering, all you need to do is just download the Wi-Fi app right there. There you go. This works for Android as well. Let's hit open there. Allow. There you go. Connect to the Wi-Fi network on the Speedefy router right there. So let's go ahead and look that up. Let's go to settings. And then we're going to look for the Wi-Fi here. If you are looking for the SSID and the PIN number, it would be in the back of your router, right there. Just gonna click the Wi-Fi there. There you go. Right now it doesn't have any passcode, but we're gonna edit that soon here. There you go, hit next. There you go. Now we can add in a Wi-Fi password. There you go. Once it's all good to go, let's go ahead and control now. So as you can see here, you'll be able to see all the devices that are connected to this router. The tools here as well, there's internet info. There's also where you can get all your IP address and your subnet mask, DNS as well. There's the Wi-Fi name where you can change right here. This is the 2.4 gigahertz up there, and then this is the 5 gigahertz down here. There you go. You can hit more as well so that you can see more settings there. As you can see here, you can hit reboot there so that you can reboot your router. There you go. There's also the internet settings right here. There you go, where you can change this, static IP and all that stuff. There's also the login password there where you can change your password. You can also put blacklist devices right here. You can system update right here. LED control. And then the reset button right there. Right here, it would have an accelerated Wi-Fi as well. It would just analyze the transmission speed right there, so that it would you will get the fastest Wi-Fi out there. Pretty good. There's also the guest network. You can turn that on for people that are coming in, so you don't have to tell them your passwords. There you go. You can turn that on, and then you can even change the validity period there. Maybe just put it as maybe 4 hours. Or you can limit the bandwidth as well for them. Pretty cool. And then there's the Wi-Fi schedule right there, where you can actually disable Wi-Fi during time of the day. So that, let's say for your children or something like that, or maybe you just want to use Wi-Fi on a certain time of the day, you'll be able to do that as well right there. There's also the transmit power right here, where strong signal, you can access internet properly even behind thick walls. So that's pretty good. You can change it to medium, you can change it to low, and then high right there. Pretty good. And there's also the security check. It'll do a check for you there as well, which is pretty good. As you can see there, I was only getting 85%. So it told me to analyze it again. So let's try that again right there so that we can get right there. It says right there that one is not optimized because it has the same password. So we can change that later on. Pretty cool. Now, one of the best things about this Wi-Fi is that it is Wi-Fi 6. So we're gonna test the speed right now and see how well it does. Now for Wi-Fi 6 to work, you need devices as well to connect to your router that are capable with Wi-Fi 6. If you have an iPhone 11 or newer iPhone, you'll be able to use Wi-Fi 6. I believe the newest Samsungs as well and Android phones does have Wi-Fi 6 as well. If you have the MacBook Silicon Macs as well, they have, that's what we're using right now, the M1s. They have Wi-Fi 6 as well. Make sure you have the Wi-Fi 6 devices so that you can get the full potential of the Wi-Fi 6. As you can see there, we're getting a lot of speed here, so that's pretty good. And that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new Wi-Fi router. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below. Go ahead and check it out. If you want to see more, go ahead and hit that notification bell as well. Hit the like button so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. I hope you guys have a good day and stay grateful. Peace!